along a line
Got an
extending from Liberty
SVR
to
for
6 miles southeast
Columbia.
of Fairfield County Airport to near Batesburg-Leesville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and
Yeah.
locations impacted include Columbia, Lexington, West Columbia, Casey, Irma, Forest Acres, Camden, Batesburg, Leesville,
SVR For Columbia, South Carolina.
McIntyre Air Base, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Red Bank, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, Kershaw, and Gaston. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 38 and 113. Interstate 26 between mile markers 93 and 129. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 37. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Persons in campgrounds should seek shelter until these storms pass. Severe thunderstorms can produce large capsizing waves and frequent lightning. If on or near Lake Murray, move away from the water and take shelter. Severe thunderstorms can produce large caps.
They cut off.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for